It's 7 o'clock. I turn off my alarm so early, but okay. I'm awake. This is my new apartment, Sunrise Apartment, Unit 402. My first morning here. Let's do this. Time to get up. I sit on my bed, my feet touch the floor. It's cold. I need slippers. Where are my slippers? Oh well, I'm too sleepy to look for them right now. I walk to my window, I pull open the curtains, and wow, so much sunshine. I love this big window. My old apartment was so dark. This is much better. Good morning, world! Okay, let's make my bed. I shake my blanket. 1, 2, 3. I put bedless straight. There, I'm such a good adult. Mom would be so proud. I look in the mirror. Oh no, my hair is crazy. It's everywhere. I need to tie it back. Where's my hair tie? I bite it with my teeth, pull my hair back, and done. Much better. Now I wash my face. The water is so cold. Splash, splash. But it wakes me up. Okay, I'm ready for the day. Time to brush my teeth. I turn on my electric toothbrush. Buzz, buzz, buzz. I look funny in the mirror. I smile at myself. Nice to meet you, Ashley from Unit 402. Now my face cream. I put some on my fingers. I rub the cream on my cheeks, my forehead, and my chin. Tap, tap, tap. My skin feels so soft and hydrated now. Skincare is so important. I'm hungry. I walk to the kitchen. It's time for coffee. Coffee is my best friend in the morning. My very best friend. I put a coffee pot into the machine. I press the button. Listen, whir, whir. The smell of coffee is everywhere. It smells like happiness. Look at that. So brown and rich. I add a little bit of milk. Just a little bit. Swirl, swirl. I take a sip.
Slurp. Now I am a real person.
Hello, world. I am finally awake. What should I have for breakfast? Cereal? No, I had cereal yesterday. Maybe eggs? Yes, eggs and toast sounds perfect. I put the pan on the stove. I turn on the heat. I need a little bit of butter. I crack 2 eggs. 1, 2. Sizzle, sizzle. While the eggs cook, I make toast. 2 slices of white bread. Push the lever down. Now we wait. Everything is coming together perfectly. Hop! The toast is ready. I put the eggs on the plate, some salt, some pepper. My breakfast is ready. It looks beautiful, doesn't it?
I just like this one eat bowl. I just eat my quiet time. It's so clear.
Okay, now I check the weather. Let's see, sunny and 20 degrees. That's perfect. No rain today. I can wear my favorite sneakers. Bye-bye pajamas! You were comfortable, but I have things to do. What should I wear? Something yellow? Yes, let's go with yellow today. It matches the sun. Ta-da! My golden yellow hoodie. It's so soft. I feel like a little sunflower. Do you like it? I think it looks great. Last step, my sneakers. I sit down and tie my laces. Left one and right one. I don't want to trip while I'm walking. Looking good. The yellow really does make me look more awake. Okay, bag on and let's go. I step outside and lock my door. Click. Safe and sound. See you later, apartment. Time to catch the bus. The hallway is so quiet today. Everyone must be at work already. I love the morning energy here. The elevator is coming. I'm right on time. The bus leaves in 10 minutes. I can make it if I hurry just a little bit. The doors close and I'm on my way down. 4 floors to the lobby. It's always so peaceful in here before the busy street. 3, almost there. I hope the traffic isn't too bad today. I really can't be late for this meeting. Ground floor! Here we go! The air always feels different down here. Much more exciting. I've got to hurry. The lobby is beautiful in the morning light, but I don't have time to stare today. The doors slide open and there it is, the city! Good morning, world! Now where's that bus stop? Excuse me, sorry, just passing through. Wow, everyone is out early today. I have to keep my pace up. Come on, green light, come on. The bus stop is just right across the street. I can see it. Almost there. Wait for me! Oh, please don't pull away yet. I'm coming. Just a few more yards. I actually made it. Thank goodness the driver saw me. That was a close one. Good morning. Thank you for waiting. Beep! Perfect. Now to find a seat and finally relax. Oh, perfect! A window seat right in the middle. I love watching the shops go by while I listen to my music. Earbuds in, world out. Now it's just me and my morning playlist. This is my favorite part of the commute. Look at those flowers blooming in the park. Spring really is here. Everything looks so bright and full of life today. Central Plaza! That's me. Time to get off and start the real work. I'm ready for anything today. And here I am, just in time. Let's make today the best day ever.